I'm here with Jenna.
Hi.
And today we've got some Encanto toys that are hidden in that Mirabelle egg. Are you ready to get them?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. What do we got inside? That toy out of the egg? Wow, what do we got?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, turning around. It's a huge 4-pack from Encanto. Jenna, who is that inside?
It's Antonia.
Antonio? And who's that?
Mirabelle.
And who's that?
Isabella.
And who's that?
Luisa.
Oh, awesome. And we got this awesome 4-pack, but guess what? There's more inside the egg. Let's go see what else is in there.
Okay.
What will come out of the giant egg? What's in there, Jenna?
I don't know.
Can you get it out? What else?
It's Mirabelle.
Mirabelle, let's see. Oh, this one is a singing Mirabelle that comes with her accordion. Awesome. Because we love the songs in Encanto.
You like it?
Yeah, we love it.
And it's got a hat on it.
Yeah, I love the hat too. It's so cute.
And it has a singing Mirabelle on it.
Yes, it does. And are there any more surprises inside the egg?
Yes.
What's inside? Wow. What is it, Jenna?
It's a singing.
Karaoke machine.
Yes.
So we can sing the Encanto songs. Hey, push the button on Mirabelle. Yeah, so we can have the songs and we can sing each of the songs and we can have some fun. Okay, which one you want to open?
This one.
You want to open the karaoke machine first?
Yeah.
Jenna, what do you think of our giant Mirabelle egg?
It's so beautiful.
It is so beautiful. And it had some beautiful toys inside. Can't wait to open these up.
Yes, you have to sing the music.
Yeah, we're going to sing the music. We're going to open up the karaoke machine.
Karaoke machine.
Yeah. Okay, looks like we got our karaoke machine ready to go so you can start singing.
So you can start.
Yeah. Go ahead, sing it. Yeah, you can. Come on.
And then the surface, and then put it up. And then put it up. And then.
Okay, Jenna, let's take the doll out. And we got the nice Mirabelle doll. We'll take it out.
I love it. And it has glasses. Cool. And it has a symbol.
Yeah. She's got a hat and an accordion.
Yeah.
Say, she's got an accordion.
He's got an accordion.
Very cool. What color are her glasses?
Yeah.
What color are her glasses?
They're green.
Green glasses. And what about her dress?
Blue.
Blue dress. And what about her hat?
Yellow and red.
Yeah. Well, I would say that's like a brown and red. Okay, let's get this one out so we can play with it.
Yes.
You got her accordion. You like the accordion?
Yeah. The three symbols.
You got her accordion. You could put it in her hands.
Oh, yes.
Yep,
One
good.
hand,
Put it in one hand, put it in the other hand too.
and the other hand.
Very good. You're doing a good job.
Just
And then she'll be able to play music and you can sing. We ready to open up these 4-packs?
yeah.
All right, that's huge. Huge. Let's open it up. All right? Okay, Jenna, well, we've got the 4-pack out. We're really excited. We have another Mirabelle, but that's okay. Always good to have extra Mirabelles. This one plays and sings songs. The other one doesn't, but that's okay. It's good to have different versions. We've got Louisa here, and we like Louisa, right?
Yeah.
She's so strong in the movie,
Yeah.
and she feels the pressure.
Okay.
Pressure?
Yeah. Does she feel the surface pressure?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You love that song.
Yeah.
You want to sing it?
We've got Isabella here, and her dress looks great. And Antonio. I really liked Antonio. He was really funny in the movie. And he could talk to animals. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
He was talking to all kinds of animals in the movie. That was really cool. We got Isabella here, and
Look, she's got a little pink beret. Her long silky hair goes down her back,
Wow.
cascading. She's always in a pose. Woo! Here I am, world. I'm Isabella. And her dress has all the flowers because that's her power.
hey, what are you guys talking about?
Oh, you know how Luisa's always talking about how strong
Hi,
she
Luisa.
is. Oh, Luisa.
Hi.
Nobody was talking about you. Nope. Nobody here was talking about you. Yes, you guys were talking about me, but here I am with Antonia and Mirabelle too.
Oh, oh.
Come on, Isabella. I bet I can carry you too.
Oh, wow. She's going to carry the whole family.
Okay.
Haha. Here I am carrying all of you after you talked about me that I couldn't do it.
We
And
didn't
then-
think you could do it.
You know I'm strong.
Yeah, but we didn't know you were this strong.
Woohoo!
Help me, Marisa. I need your help. I need your help, Marisa.
Oh, you need my help? Hold on. Let me see if I can turn around. Nobody fell. That's good. Good thing. Good thing. Nobody fell. Here I am. 2 Mirabelles, 1 Antonio, and 1 Isabella. Haha, nobody can beat me.
I guess you are the strongest after all.
You got that right.
Jenna, you're climbing back up. You got Antonio. All right, who's gonna go down the slide?
Woo!
Antonio. Here comes Luisa. Whoa. Who's next? Isabella and Mirabelle. And now Jenna. Oh, wow, that was fun. Jenna, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun, and you like your microphone?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, buddy.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.